Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by linking your iPhone to the car, plug in or use wireless Carplay. Once connected, unlock your phone and accept the Carplay prompt so the system can access audio apps. Make sure music, Spotify, or other apps are visible on the head unit. If apps don't show, open Settings on the iPhone and enable Carplay for your vehicle. After authorization, tap the music icon to start configuring playback and preferences before you drive. Now manage where your audio comes from and how it plays. Select Apple Music or another app on the Carplay home screen. Once inside, choose Playlists, Library, or Browse. Use the steering wheel play /pause, skip, and volume buttons for quick control. For hands-free changes, press Siri or say, "Hey Siri," to request songs, albums, or playlists. To reorder or remove tracks, open the queue on screen. These steps reduce distraction and let you keep attention on driving while customizing playback. Finish by tuning safety and reliability settings. Enable Do Not Disturb while driving so calls and notifications won't interrupt music. Make sure volume levels and balance are right in the car audio settings. If playback stutters, unplug and replug the cable or disable, then re-enable wireless on your phone. Sometimes switching the audio source off and back fixes it. If Carplay still misbehaves, go to iPhone Settings, General, Carplay. Select your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.